विसवप्रांनी उपकार पळोवया फुडल्यो खबरो. ऑल्दोना कारोणा हांगसर शेनवारा ऑक्झिलियम स्कुलाचो वार्षिक खेळा उत्सव मनयलो. ह्या सुवाळ्यांत शाळेच्या भुरग्यांनी वेगवेगळ्यो कला सादर केल्यो अशी माहिती स्कुलाच्यो प्राचार्य सिस्टर आंतोनेट डिसुजा हांणी दिल्या. आरडेक्स खातीर ऑल्दोनेच्यान जोझफ फर्नांडीस.
Ms. Vaibhavi Chikodikar and Master Dishant Mandrekar of the Rain House leads the troop. The Rain House is named after Don Bosco, the founder of the Salesian congregation. The motto of the house is love. It is enough for me to know that you are young to love you. Master Roni Kalankar and Miss Fadal Horta of the Greenhouse leads the troop. The Greenhouse is named after Blessed Laura Vicuna. The motto of the house is hope. Let us work together in unity and hope as true citizens for peace. Miss Jamie Dias and Miss Sauni Kalsankar of the Yellow House lead the troop. The Yellow House is named after Saint Dominic Savio. The motto of the house is joy and cheerfulness.
We, the Auxilium Primary School Karuna, have organized today our annual sports meet 2016-17. For our today's function, chief guest was Sir Sabaji Ketan, resource block person of Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan, Mapsabadis, Taluka. Today we had many parents and our children have put up many programs as always, and they have done a wonderful job in many colourful activities, many events, and I thank for all those who participated for your cooperations, and it was a wonderful experience we had.
Today we had a sports day event. And all the children participated with their great enthusiasm, and all the parents also give them their full support. So thank you parents for coming and making this day a successful.